Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. Let's just get into this. I'm on a roll today. This is my third video that I filmed today. First question, these are actually two questions by the same person. And this is from June 4th. I'm sorry. I have so many questions I have to get to, you guys. Like, so many questions. Okay, OMG, I went to the New Hampshire bins today and was so bummed out. It was like bins gone wild. All the COVID rules are out the window and I keep getting knocked out of the way by women who would scoop up the entire contents of the bins with two arms and dump it all in their carts. Have you ever seen that? I struggle to keep my cost of goods low and I'm worried the New Hampshire bins aren't going to be a good sourcing spot anymore. Okay, so I have never been to the New Hampshire bins. I live very close to New Hampshire, but I've never been to those bins. I actually haven't been to the bins since it was like summer or fall of 2019. My husband has been to the bins since COVID happened. Like, he just recently started going back. But yeah, I have not yet. And he said it hasn't been too crazy. So yeah, I don't know if it's just those crazy New Hampshire people. But yeah, that would be annoying. And it's scary, like with the COVID rules, you know, like not being as strict. I mean, it's great. Like, I want COVID to go away. I want there to be no rules and shit. But I honestly don't know if I'll ever feel comfortable not wearing a mask, like vaccinated or not. I don't know. I don't think I'll ever feel comfortable not wearing a mask, and that sucks. You are going to run into some crazy people at the bins that will literally just throw everything in their cart and, you know, not even care. But unfortunately, you either gotta deal with it or find another sourcing spot. And then your other question was, someone bought something from me at full listing price, and after the 3-hour window, they have to cancel it. Message me saying, please don't ship because they bought it on accident. I looked at their closet and they're also a seller, so I find it hard to believe that they didn't know how the app worked. I don't want to cancel the sale for them. Any thoughts? Okay, so you sent this message to me a couple days ago, so I don't know if you canceled it or not. You can comment down below and update me because I'm very curious. I would get people all the time that would be like, this was bought on accident. It was a mistake. And I'm like, how can it be an accident, a mistake? Like, how? Well, I have purchased something on accident before. So in the Poshmark app, there's a buy it now button, and I've hit that before and I didn't mean to. So I definitely think that it's possible for someone to buy something on accident. It's hard to determine whether someone's being truthful when they say that though. So that's the hard thing. I don't know what I would do in your situation. Like you said, you investigated them and they're a seller. So yeah, I don't know. I'm very curious what you did because I honestly don't know what I would do. I think I would try to message a person and be like, hey, what do you mean it was a mistake? Like, you know, like how was it a mistake? Because it seems like you know how Poshmark works. So did you accidentally hit buy it now or what? Like, I would ask them that and then go from there, depending on what they say. Next question. Hi, Vanessa. Thanks for sharing your knowledge. I'm trying to decide if I should keep PST, which is Poshmark sharing tool, since Posh put out bulk sharing. Have you noticed that while the computer is sharing, the photos don't match up with the descriptions? It really makes me wonder what has been shared and what hasn't. I love using it for parties since it does an auto select for the items that can be shared to the party. Have you noticed the photo and description not matching up on your end? So you're talking about Poshmark sharing tool, right? I haven't run into that issue, but I have run into other issues using the Poshmark sharing tool, and that is basically I was sharing too quickly and not all my items were being shared. So that was kind of annoying. I mean, I can understand, you know, why it was happening, but I wanted Poshmark sharing tool to be like bam, 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 you know, like super fast and super fast, and it is super fast. But I guess it wasn't fast enough for me. But yeah, I've actually switched. I stopped using Poshmark sharing tool. I stopped paying the $30-something a month, and I now just use the Poshmark bulk share feature. I talk about that in a previous video. I'll link that video down below. Yeah, that's what I've personally done. But your issue, no, I haven't run into that. I would message Rachel on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram down below. I would message her and ask her about that. She's really good about responding. Like, whenever I had a question or anything, like, she would respond to me. Like, she's great. So yeah, so maybe it's like a glitch or something, or maybe it's something you're doing wrong. I would definitely message her though. All right, next question. Hey, I watch your YouTube videos and I know you've talked about Poshmark share jail before. Have you ever heard of listing jail? I think I'm in it right now. I'm still able to share, but get an error message every time I try to list or relist something. Wondering if I should email them or just wait it out. So no, I haven't heard of that. No, I haven't. I'm trying to think. I'm like, no, I haven't heard of that. I don't know if it's a thing. I don't know. You sent this message to me a couple days ago, so comment down below and let me know if you're out of the jail or what. Listing jail, I wouldn't think that that would be a thing because you can't really list things too quickly. I mean, you can use like a cross-listing service, but it doesn't list things, like it's not like a bot, you know, like it's not like listing things super quick. So I don't know. I would still email Poshmark and be like, hey, what happened? And they'll probably be able to tell you. Yeah, now you got me curious. Right, last question. Hello, I love your channel. It's helped me out a lot moving from a hobby seller to a part-time seller. Oh, Aaliyah, is that your name? Pretty name. Question, I sold a bundle and after I shipped it, I got lots of rude comments saying how the buyer didn't want to or mean to buy it and I should have known not to ship this since she didn't authorize it. If she opens a return case, how should I go about responding to the claim? Okay, so first of all, how the hell would you know that she didn't authorize it? It came through as a sale to you. So how do you, like, how, what? She expects you to, what? What? That's not your, like, what? How would you know that? She's trying to say it's fraud? Yeah, I don't know. I would message the, what? What? I mean, you've already sent it out, so, yeah, I would see if they open up a case and then see what they try to say. I mean, I don't know. I don't know what Poshmark would do if she claims that it was fraud because they'd have to like investigate that. Like that's not something that they would take lightly. You know, she'd have to file a claim with like her credit card company. Poshmark won't just be like, oh, okay, it's fraud. Yes, refund. You know, they would need like proof of that. So I don't know. My guess is they would... I don't know. Actually, I have no idea. I don't know what they would do. Guys, I got to tell you about a huge bundle I sold the other day. So yeah, so to answer your question, I don't know. Wait and see what they say if they open up a case and then just kind of go from there. And yeah, I don't know how Poshmark would handle it. I don't know, but you should keep me posted. Guys, you guys all have like interesting situations. I'm like, what? I need to know the outcomes. I'm really curious to know the outcomes. So please comment down below and tell me. Okay, so you guys, I sold my biggest bundle ever the other day. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think I made a video talking, yes, actually I know I made a video talking about my biggest bundle ever. And it was 26 things, I believe. Yes, I sold a bundle of 26 things. And then I want to say like a month or maybe a couple months later, I sold a bundle of 24 things. No, this bundle, bigger. My head's like cut out of the frame. Like, what am I doing? I have like, my settings are all messed up. I haven't filmed in like 5 years. I don't know what I'm doing. So I sold a bundle of 37 things. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah. I will maybe make a video talking about like bundles and stuff. Cause I get a lot of questions being like, how do you sell big bundles like that? Like, what do you do? Do you, like, how do you upgrade shipping? What do you do? What do you do? I'll make a video talking about that. Comment down below and let me know if that's something that you're interested in. I can definitely talk about selling big bundles, like how to sell bundles. Cause yeah, I feel like I'm like the bundle queen now cause that's a huge bundle. And someone's adding stuff to a bundle right now and hopefully this is another sale. How many things we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ah, only 7 things. That is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.